Of value equivalent to $54.6100 a coin. The present reach, $54.2400, $54.8400. The earlier day close, $54.5200. The change was plus 0.0900. Plus 0.17%. Backwards rate. United States dollars to AUV. AUV cost expectation for September 2023. Before all else cost at $55.5. Greatest cost $58.0. Least cost $41.9. The normal for the month $50.1. AUV cost estimate toward the month's end $45.0. Change for September 18.9%. AUV to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. First and foremost cost at $45.0. Greatest cost $48.4. Least cost $35.2. The normal for the month $41.6. AUV cost estimate toward the month's end $37.8. Change for October 16.0%. AUV cost expectation for November 2023. At the outset cost at $37.8. Most extreme cost $37.8. Least cost $29.9. The normal for the month $34.4. AUV cost gauge toward the month's end $32.1. Change for November 15.1%. AUV to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. In the first place cost at $32.1. Greatest cost $32.1. Least cost $27.7. The normal for the month $30.4. AUV cost figure toward the month's end $29.8. Change for December 7.2%. AUV cost expectation for January 2024. Initially cost at $29.8. Most extreme cost $35.2. Least cost $29.8. The normal for the month $31.9. AUV cost gauge toward the month's end $32.9. Change for January 10.4%. AUV to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. In the first place cost at $32.9. Greatest cost $32.9. Least cost $27.8. The normal for the month $30.9. AUV cost estimate toward the month's end $29.9. Change for February 9.1%. AUV cost expectation for WOC 2024. First and foremost cost at $29.9. Greatest cost $30.3. Least cost $26.3. The normal for the month $28.7. AUV cost figure toward the month's end $28.3. Change for spring 5.4%. AUV to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. Before all else cost at $28.3. Most extreme cost $29.0. Least cost $25.2. The normal for the month $27.4. AUV cost figure toward the month's end $27.1. Change for April 4.2%. AUV cost expectation for May 2024. To start with cost at $27.1. Greatest cost $27.1. Least cost $23.4. The normal for the month $25.7. AUV cost gauge toward the month's end $25.2. Change for May 7.0%. AUV to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. In the first place cost at $25.2. Greatest cost $31.2. Least cost $25.2. The normal for the month $27.7. AUV cost estimate toward the month's end $29.2. Change for June 15.9%. AUV cost expectation for July 2024. First and foremost cost at $29.2. Greatest cost $29.2. Least cost $22.8. The normal for the month $26.4. AUV cost conjecture toward the month's end $24.5. Change for July 16.1%. AUV to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. Before all else cost at $24.5. Most extreme cost $24.5. Least cost $19.2. The normal for the month $22.2. AUV cost gauge toward the month's end $20.6. Change for August 15.9%. AUV cost expectation for September 2024. In the first place cost at $20.6. Most extreme cost $24.8. Least cost $20.6. The normal for the month $22.3. AUV cost gauge toward the month's end $23.2. Change for September 12.6%. Aave cost expectation for November 2025. To start with, cost at $8.7. Greatest cost $10.8. Least cost $8.7. The normal for the month $9.6. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $10.1. Change for November 16.1%. Aave to United States dollars expectations for December 2025. At the outset, cost at $10.1. Most extreme cost $12.5. Least cost $10.1. The normal for the month $11.1. Aave cost estimate toward the month's end $11.7. Change for December 15.8%. Aave cost expectation for January 2026. First and foremost, cost at $11.7. Most extreme cost $11.7. Least cost $9.1. The normal for the month $10.6. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $9.8. Change for January 16.2%. Aave to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. At the outset, cost at $9.8. Most extreme cost $9.8. Least cost $7.8. The normal for the month $9.0. Aave cost figure toward the month's end $8.4. Change for February 14.3%. Aave cost expectation for WOC 2026. Initially cost at $8.4. Most extreme cost $10.4. Least cost $8.4. The normal for the month $9.2. Aave cost estimate toward the month's end $9.7. Change for spring 15.5%. Aave to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. To start with, cost at $9.7. Greatest cost $10.7. Least cost $9.3. The normal for the month $9.9. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $10.0. Change for April 3.1%. Aave cost expectation for May 2026. Initially cost at $10.0. Greatest cost $12.4. Least cost $10.0. The normal for the month $11.0. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $11.6. Change for May 16.0%. Aave to United States dollars expectations for June 2026. Before all else, cost at $11.6. Most extreme cost $14.4. Least cost $11.6. The normal for the month $12.8. Aave cost figure toward the month's end $13.5. Change for June 16.4%. Aave cost expectation for July 2026. Before all else, cost at $13.5. Most extreme cost $16.7. Least cost $13.5. The normal for the month $14.8. Aave cost estimate toward the month's end $15.6. Change for July 15.6%. Aave to United States dollars expectations for August 2026. First and foremost, cost at $15.6. Greatest cost